Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on to share with you how I made these two Christmas decor DIYs using dollar store items and more. Alright everyone, today's video is sponsored by TECKWRAP. They sent me over some of their bubble-free mirror-chrome vinyl to review for you guys. It's their adhesive vinyls, and these are the lovely shades that they sent for me. So I'm going to be using 3 of these to share with you on our DIYs today. Okay, these are items I'll be using for DIY number 1, and the vinyls are the cayenne orange, lime green, and glitter brush white from TECKWRAP. Okay, we're going to start off with this vase that I got from the Dollar Tree, and we are going to make a cute little vase for a Christmas decor. So now I'm going to head on over to my cutting machine and cut out our vinyl with the images that I want. Okay, I have the lime green here, and with TECKWRAP, they have a protective coating over their vinyl, their chrome vinyl. Some of them, whichever ones have it, they will have this little tag here to let you know that it's there. So remove it before you cut. So I like to cut off the piece whatever length I need first, so I don't cut off the protective foam off of all of the vinyl, because I'm not using all of it right now. And you just simply peel it back. Just peel it back and take off the protective layer, just like this. It helps protect the chrome, you know, keep it safe. No scratches and stuff until you're ready to use it. And then all you have to do is place it face up because it's adhesive, and I'm rolling it. And then we just place it into our machine to cut out the pattern that we want. And here I'm just cutting some of the orange color one. It looks red, although it's called orange. And it's so easy to weed. The small pieces, everything, it's just so easy to weed. Doesn't give me any trouble at all. You know, I always have trouble weeding my vinyl. OMG. My small pieces. So here we go again with our vase from the Dollar Tree. And then we have our first image here that I use with the this one is the glitter brush white, and we're going to rub down our vase with some rubbing alcohol to clean the surface. And then we're just going to place our image onto the vase. We're just going to scrape it down. And then just peel it off. That looks so nice. So I'm just going to continue adding some more of our images to our vase. You so vibey, you so vibe, you so vibey. She's so vibey, she's so vibe, she's so vibey. And now I'm placing down the bubble-free mirror chrome vinyl adhesive. This one, it doesn't let you have bubbles. It's a more sturdy one to lay down onto your surface, and you won't have the trouble of bubbles and all that stuff. I love it. It's absolutely nice. I love it. I just lay it down, scrape my image, you know, burnish it a bit, and then you peel it back. And there you go. It lays down nice. No bubbles there, anything like that. I will leave a link below so you guys can go over and check out this mirror chrome vinyl adhesive bubble-free vinyl. And they have lots of colors, as you saw in my stash that they sent me. Alright, so here's everything, how it looks. So now I'm going to add some glitter. Some white glitter that I have here. And I'll be using some of this glue to add the glitter onto our vase. So I'm just going to pour the glue inside. Sorry, I saw this technique from Desi 1016, aka Desiree. She put the glue on the inside and then added the glitter, and I said that is a neat idea. So I'm following what she did. And so far so good, it looks good. So we're just gonna add the glitter, shake it all around. And now I'm just adding some more to the top, and then we'll add the glitter to the top too. So now we're just gonna shake everything out. Any excess glitter that wasn't used, just shake it out, and there we go. I like how it looks. Doesn't that look nice? Okay, now we're gonna make a bow for our vase. So I just have some of this pretty Christmas ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree. Glitter, as glitter ribbon. So we're just gonna cut 3 strips. And now I'm gonna use some hot glue, fold our strips, and glue our strip together. Just like this. So we're gonna make a bow with these strips. And then we're gonna take our 3 folded pieces and we're gonna glue them together. Crisscross them and glue them together. And now I'm just going to use one of these gems that I got from Walmart and glue it into the center of our bow. And then we're going to use some hot glue and glue our bow to the vase. And here is our finished look for our cute little Christmas vase. I like how it turned out. I like it with the glitter inside. And our Christmas balls, our Christmas ornaments going all the way around using the vinyl from TECKWRAP, our bubble-free adhesive vinyl. Leave me a comment below and tell me what you think of today's, I think it's like a Wonderland theme. Yeah, a Christmas Wonderland. A Christmas vase. I think it looks very nice. And now for DIY number 2, we have some washroom items that we're going to decorate up for the Christmas. So I got them from Dollar Tree. And I'll be using some of this gold strips that I got from Amazon to help decorate our washroom items. Okay, so I'm going to start with this one. And the strip comes with adhesive on the back. So we're just going to take it off and line it up around, going right around the top of our container. Now I'm going to do the same thing around the bottom part. Now I'm going to add some of our gold GLAM chain that I got from BB Craft, and I'll be using some Gorilla Glue to put down our chain. So we're just taking the chain and following our gold strip, going right around our container. also going around the bottom part of our container. So now we're going to use the container that we use for our toothbrushes and stuff. I'll be doing the same thing. Doesn't this look like 2 eyes and a mouth? OMG, that looks so funny. So I'm just putting the gold strip going right around the top and the bottom of this container. And just like the other container, I'm going to put the gold glam chain going right around both sides, the top and the bottom, and our glam chain comes from BB Okay, so for this decor, I use the glitter white, the glitter nibbler white from TECKWRAP, and I'm going to be using some rubbing alcohol and cleaning our surface first. Okay, so now we have our image that I already cut out, as you can see. So we're just going to place it onto our container and then scrape it down, make sure it adheres to the surface, and then we're just going to peel it back. OMG, I love how that looks. Can you see it? I'm not sure if the camera is doing it justice. It's just a beautiful glitter. Let me turn down the camera light just a bit. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? I love it. It looks so elegant and nice. Okay, so I'm going to do the other 3 sides of the container. So they all have this design on each side. And now for our toothbrush holder container, I'll be doing the same thing on the 4 sides. Alright, I'm doing the, added some of this glam gold chain to the candle holder, and my camera died. I did not realize until I was finished. OMG. But anyways, I just put the Gorilla Glue and put the chain going right around. And that was it. It looks very nice. So now I'm going to use some more of the Gorilla Glue and glue the soap dish to our candle holder. Just like this. And here is our finish. Look! I love how they turn out. Can you see the glitter from the adhesive that we put down? The glitter vinyl? Oh my gosh, it looks so nice! I love how it looks. Okay, let me go in a little closer. Can you see it? You see it? It looks absolutely beautiful. A lovely piece of Christmas decor for any bathroom that you want to put it in. And I love the soap dish. It's elevated. It looks lovely. A lovely Christmas refresh decor for your bathroom. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of our bathroom set. I love how it turned out, like I keep saying. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. And remember, I'll leave the link for all these vinyls that I got from TECKWRAP down below. And I hope everyone gives me a thumbs up for today's 2 Christmas DIYs. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.